You take away one x from one side and
one from each side, right? That's all I'm doing. That's all I'm doing. I'm just writing it out. I'm saying minus an x, minus 1x, minus 1x.
But isn't the answer 3?
It is. It is. X does equal 3, but you're jumping ahead. You're taking a step because we haven't done anything with our numbers yet. So you're trying to get to the answer too quick. So just slow down and we're going to go one step at a time. Okay? Because as you get farther and farther along with algebra, these equations get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger until they take up the whole row in your paper. And so you've got to take one step at a time. Okay? If you miss a step, sometimes that's where we make errors in math. Okay, so Maggie, what would I do next now?
Wouldn't you subtract 2 away from the 5?
Okay, so I'm going to write it on my paper at the same time. She said I'm going to take 2 away, so minus 2. Okay, I take that away, and now what do I do?
Take away 2. No.
Yep, you're right. Take away 2 over here. Okay, so now what am I left with? Took my x from the wrong side, didn't I? So I'll have an x on this side equals what? 3. Good. Awesome job. Was that helpful to see it up here? Yeah. Good. All right, let's try another one. This will be the last one we're going to try, and then I want to finish correcting that packet. Okay, let's try for the last one. X plus 3 plus 2x equals x plus 5. Okay, so first thing I want you to do is I want you to look at that equation and see if there's anything that you can group together to make it a little bit smaller and more manageable. Okay, so how would you rewrite that equation to make it more manageable? Look at my balance.
Can you put that on this side so that they see it as the same side? Except they're going to see it opposite.
Okay. All right, so Lucy, did you rewrite that equation to make it look a little smaller, a little more manageable?
Like that one?
Yeah, if you looked at this equation, is there anything that you can put together, any like items that you can put together to make it look a little smaller?
Probably I would take the x on the other side
Over here?
and minus x.
Now hold on, I'm trying to get you to see this part of the equation right here? What can you do to it to simplify it? To put the x's together? How should we rewrite that?
We could probably write it by
How many x's do I have?
3.
3. Okay, so let's put all those together. So now I have 3 x's plus my 3 from right here
Yeah.
equals x plus 5. So now it looks just like that. Okay. All right, Lucy, now what did you want to do next? Because you were ready, that next step. What comes next?
Take the x minus an x.
Okay. So I took this one away.
Which would just equal the plus 5.
Okay, so I've got 5 left over here. What do I do to this side?
And then you take 1x from the 3x.
Okay, so we'll do it up here too. Okay, so what am I left with on that side now?
2x
2x
plus 3.
3. Okay. What do you think I should do next?
And then take the 3 minus the 5.
Okay, so take 3 away. And then 3 away. I'm left with 2x equals, or excuse me, 3, sorry, I got that wrong. 2x equals 2, okay. And then what do I do?
And then you divide 2.
Yeah, I would divide these, break these apart. Each one would equal what?
1.
X
Divided
equals
into
1. Very good. Excellent job walking me through. Okay, so it is a big jump, and I just wanted to kind of put that out there. I don't expect you to be able to do that today. You are more than welcome to use the manipulatives, but I wanted to kind of show you the progression, where we're headed with this, where you're definitely going to be headed with that next year as you do some algebra things, okay? So I want to go ahead and finish correcting the rest of your hands-on equations math packet, so if you can get that out, please. And Mrs. Meisberger said you only got through correcting lesson 5. So we have 2 more lessons to go.
We only did the first.
Only the first 4. Okay.
Like something plus egg.
Yeah, it's the same. That's algebra. Yeah.
My object.
Sarah. So she said you had the first 4 corrected. Is that correct? So she didn't write them down. So what is 1? X equals what? Leah? 5. What is it? Is it 6? I heard some people say 5 and some people say 7.
It's 6.
It's 6. Okay.